So if you actually want to use Seedance for free, I'm not sure how much longer this will last, but I want to make this tutorial as quick as possible. Come on over to dreammedia.capcut.com. I'll leave a link in the description. You can see right here, if you basically click this link, essentially you can actually use their model. So basically what you want to do is you want to sign in with any account, sign in with literally any Gmail account. And literally once you're signed in, if you just click the AI video, and then you actually switch it down. So instead of Dream Media 1.5 Pro, you just switch it to Seedance 2.0 Fast. You can see that you're actually able to create videos. Now, you can see right here that when you start out, you can actually, have free credits every single day. You can see that these credits are completely free. So this is literally how you use Seedance 2.0 for free. I know a lot of people are wondering, and you can see here that this will cost 50 credits. I think when you create an account, you do get one generation free. I'm going to sign into another account and show you, but I literally just generated this video and I didn't have to pay anything. I didn't have to enter any details. I literally just put Seedance 2.0 Fast. And then of course you can see it actually gives you these credits. And you can see here that, if you have it free, you can literally get bonus credits every single day. And even here, you basically have this one where you can try it for free for 7 days for $0. And then of course it automatically renews. But of course you can probably cancel before then. And I don't think they mind because of course they do want more customers. So here you can see I've actually signed into another account. And here you can actually see that I've been given some credits. So here you can see on another account, I've actually just made another account. I've got 105 credits. I literally just made this Gmail. And if I type in Dream Mania Seedance 2.0 Fast, I can actually type in anything. I can type in a CGI robot transforming into a Lamborghini. I can see a Lamborghini racing through the streets of London. And all you need to do is click confirm. And then of course you can see it's already started to generate my video. Now, of course, right here, apparently there was something that is nerfing the model. So I'm guessing what happened here is that the transformer is probably Hollywood IP. So do remember that, when you're generating these three things, that of course, Seedance probably does have heavy restrictions, but it is important to know that even if you do mess up, you do get those credits back. And so, yeah, this is essentially how you use it for free. I'm not going to waste my free credits just generating something for new. I've already generated this and it was actually pretty good. So with that being said, if you guys have enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys in the next one.